Have you ever thought about the fact that every one of your breaths is unique? How you feel about knowing that there is never gonna be the exact same kind of breath ever again? But there is more to know about breathing. When you really concentrate on your breathing, you are present. You let go of the past and the future and are focused on this moment, the moment inside the breath. Conscious breathing activates a different part of your brain. Breath controls the body, mind, and emotions. When you take just one full breath and be aware of that breath, you immediately feel more grounded, balanced, and relaxed. There is a saying that goes, deep breaths are like love notes to your body. Breathing is a major part in yoga. Have you ever tried yoga? Are you interested in starting yoga but feel little insecure about it? Like maybe you aren't enough this or that. I assure you, you are enough. Yoga is not just an exercise, it is a life philosophy. One great thing about yoga is acceptance. Acceptance of what is right now. Most of all, acceptance of oneself. The awareness that you are unique and special as you are right now. Just Breathe and Yoga introduces yoga lifestyle to you in a new, different way. In a way that allows, is gentle, inspiring and loving every single day. Just Breathe and Yoga.